Good morning, students. I am posting a message in our ESOL section of our course as well. I know that you've seen now two messages in our English 101 section. I wanted you to know that I will work through uploading materials so that this course is also formatted for an online session. I want us to be especially flexible in this class. My goal is really for you to be successful in English 101. All of the materials that we continue to work on in this class will complement everything that we do in English 101. I will not give you additional work just to give you work. Instead, I will make sure that all of the work that I assign in our ESOL class and our English 101 class, but right now I'm talking about ESOL. So all of the work that I assign in this ESOL class will complement what we do in the other class, so it reinforces everything to help you to be successful in English 101. Next, in English 101, you have your rough draft that is due on Monday, the 16th by 11:59 p.m. So just concentrate on that. I will not assign anything for ESOL until the following week, as the college has advised. In the meantime, enjoy your weekend, have a safe weekend, and contact me through messages in either the English 101 or ESOL course as you need. So I will look forward to working with you following the week of following next week. Thank you. Bye.